Everyone, my name is Nick Santos and halos 3 araw rin kami walang kuryente. Hope everyone is safe from Typhoon Karina, no? And dahil dyan, mamimigay tayo ng 500 pesos sa 3 katao sa August 16. All you need to do is 3 bagay lang. First, follow nyo sa TikTok si Maki Boy. Siya yung in-stitch ko sa video na ito. Go to that video and follow that person. Next is follow me on Spotify, Nick Santos. Third is, you need to use the sound na illegal settler. Yung nandito sa baba ng video na ito. Use that sound in any of your content. And makikita namin kung sino yung mga gumamit ng sound na yan. Send proof po kay Maki Boy. Message nyo siya once you're done doing screenshots of your proof. And good luck, guys. Ayun lang. And God bless everyone. Share this video na rin para